Dear children, this is Monica ma'am, your English teacher. I hope all of you are fine. So my dear children, yesterday we started with the lesson Wonderful Waste. Before continuing further, I would like to recap certain points of the story we have read up till now. The Maharaja organizes a grand feast. He goes to survey the preparations in the kitchen and notices a basket full of vegetable peels and orders the cook to reuse them. This puts the cook in a difficult situation. Now let's see what happens next in the story. Suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. He took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them well. Then he cut them into long strips. He put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. Next, he ground some fresh coconut, green chilies, and garlic together. He added this paste and some salt to the cooking vegetables. Now here you can see that an idea flashed across his mind. That means he got an idea. He had a trick how to use the leftover vegetable peels. So he quickly took all the vegetable bits, washed them and cleaned them as we all do before cooking anything. Then he cut them into the long strips and put them into a huge pot for cooking and placed it on the fire. Next he started grounding some fresh coconut, added some green chilies and garlic together. He made a paste and then he added some salt to the cooking vegetables. A tempting smell started coming from the pot. Now when the vegetables started cooking, there was a very nice mouth-watering smell that started coming from the pot. Now he whipped some curd and added it to the curry. Whipped means to move something very quickly and forcefully. He also poured a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and decorated the dish with curry leaves. Now his dish was about to get ready and he started pouring a few spoonfuls of coconut oil and then he decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold, the new dish was ready. Lo and behold means to a great surprise, the new dish was ready. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager to know the name of the new dish. The cook thought and thought. Then a name came to his mind. He named it Avial. When he served the dish to the guest, everyone enjoyed it. It was so delicious that everyone liked and praised the dish. Now they started asking the name of the dish. So the cook was again thinking about the name. Suddenly he thought that it should be named as Avial. Avial became famous all over Kerala and is now one of the dishes in the traditional Kerala feast. And imagine, it all came from a basket of waste. Here the word famous means popular and traditional means a belief or a custom that passes on from generation to generation. Now Avial is so popular in Kerala that on every traditional feast you can always find the dish named Avial. And imagine that this was just all from the basket of waste. That means the things that were about to be discarded, thrown away by the cook, thinking it as a waste, was now a main ingredient for the most popular dish of Kerala. So it is rightly said that creativity is making marvelous out of discarded. That means whenever you have the ability to make something beautiful and wonderful from the things that are actually a waste is called your creativity. Here, in the same way, the cook has shown his creative skills and used the vegetable peels to make a tasty dish. So, my dear children, from this story, we can also learn that before throwing anything, before discarding any waste material, always give it a second thought that can it be reused? In this manner, we will be contributing towards the environment by throwing less waste and utilizing it in a very economic manner, and by reusing and recycling the waste material, we can save our nature. That's all for today. We will conclude the lesson tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.